Hey folks, what's up? Welcome to my channel. So if you're looking to know how much balance you have left on your Google Play balance, you have come to the right video. So in today's video, I'll be showing you how to check your Google Play Store balance without any hassle. Okay, so without any further ado, let's aim this tutorial. Alright, so there are two main ways to check your Google Play Store balance. So you can check your Google Play Store balance through the Google Play Store mobile app, or you can do so through the Google Play Store website. Okay, so for the purpose of this tutorial, I'll be showing you how to check your Play Store balance in the Google Play Store. Okay, so just open your Google Play Store app. Before even checking your Google Play Store balance, you need to make sure that you've redeemed your Google Play gift card. Okay, so you need to redeem this gift card before checking its balance. So after redeeming your Google Play Store gift card, you just want to click on your account right there, and then you click on payments and subscriptions. Okay, so after clicking on payments and subscription, you typically see your Google Play gift card right here. Okay, so if you don't see it, you can just click on redeem code if you haven't redeemed your Google Play Store balance just yet. So after clicking on this, you can just enter your Google Play Store gift code right here. Alternatively, if you have the physical gift card, you can just scan it through this option right here. So after entering your redeem code, you just want to click on payment method, and you see your Google Play Store gift card listed right here. Okay, so that's how you get to check your Google Play Store balance. The balance is just being displayed right here without you needing to do it or to take any additional steps. Okay, so guys, that's how you get to check your Google Play Store gift card balance. If you found this video actually helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, subscribe to this channel, and tap the notification bell to not miss our upcoming update. Alright, so I catch you on the next one.